Hi, I'm Liz, and this is how to install cabinet hinges. Let's get into it. There are a few types of hinges you might come across. Standard concealed hinges, soft close, push to open, corner cabinet hinges, and slimline designs. Most are installed the same way with just a few differences depending on the style and function. Most flat pack or pre-drilled cabinet doors come ready for hinge installation, so you're already halfway there. Start by checking your hinge kit, which comes in two parts: the hinge cup that fits into the door and the mounting plate that attaches inside the cabinet. Position the hinge cups into the holes and secure them with the screws provided. Next, line up the elongated holes on the plate with the pre-drilled ones inside the cabinet. These often come with plastic positioning lugs. Make sure the round holes in the plate face the front of the cabinet. Then screw them in using 14mm screws. Now it's time to hang your doors. Line up each door so the hinge arms clip onto the mounted plates with a firm push. You'll hear a click when they lock in. Test the movement. If it swings smoothly, you're good to go. If not, remove the door and check the alignment. Okay, so that's your standard door mechanism done. If you're installing push to open hinges, you'll also need to include this mechanism. It attaches at the top of the door and activates when pushed lightly. Start by fixing the bracket inside the cabinet. The exact placement will vary, but standard cabinets usually sit 38mm in from the middle line. Mark and pre-drill your screw holes, one at 15mm and the second at 28mm from the front edge. Then fix the bracket using 22mm screws. On the door, mark 55mm across and 22mm down, then align the elongated hole of the door plate with the mark and fix in place. Then, using a second 14mm screw, fix off through the circular hole. Open and close to test the mechanism works. And that's it for your push to open cabinet hinges. Now onto slimline cabinet hinges. Slimline hinges are great for tight or shallow spaces like overhead cabinets. Start by attaching the hinge plate to the cabinet by lining up the elongated holes on the hinge plate with the pre-drilled lugs on the cabinet. Then attach the hinge to the door to check everything aligns. Now screw in your gas strut plates on both the cabinet and the door before clipping in the gas strut. I've added some felt stoppers and now it's time to turn it over. From here, you can attach a doorknob or handle, but often with these types of cabinets, people like to add a push to release mechanism. For push to release, it is recommended to remove one of the gas struts, so only one is remaining. Adjust the door bracket on the remaining gas strut so it is moved all the way forward. Place the push to release mechanism's mounting plate in the centre of the cabinet. Then fix it using 14mm screws provided. With the back screw fixed 69mm in from the front edge and the front screw fixed 15mm from the edge. Slide your push to release mechanism into the plate. And you're done. Now onto corner cabinet hinges. These are slightly different as they are designed to open wider and often come with an extended arm or angled mechanism. Install them the same way by mounting the cup in the door and the plate inside the cabinet, but double check the alignment marks or angles in the instructions. Then attach the door in the same way by clipping the hinge arms onto the mounted plates. And that's it. That's how you install a standard cabinet hinge: soft close, push to open, slimline, and corner hinge in your cabinets. If you like this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.